Garam masala is mixture of spices which are dry roasted and grounded. Garam masala is originating from the Indian subcontinent. The choice of a good garam masala powder is a matter of personal taste. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Let's see the whole spices first. Cardamoms, mace, cloves, cinnamons, cumin seeds, black peppercorn and nutmeg. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of cardamoms, 2 tablespoons of cloves, cinnamon sticks. From this amount of masala, you can use it for 1 month if you use on daily basis. 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half of mace, and a very little bit of nutmeg. Dry roast all the whole spices for 5 to 6 minutes on low-medium flame. When they are little colored and cloves will little bigger and also it gets the beautiful intense aroma of them, then they are nicely roasted. As you can see, now switch off the flame and rest for 2 to 3 minutes. After resting them little, put them into blender jar but break the cinnamon sticks into small pieces. Nowadays, we are so much busy, so everyone just use the store-bought ground spices. But making your own ground spices at your home is fairly simple and easy. Put on the lid and blend them coarsely. Now, open the lid of the jar and garam masala powder is ready. Store them into an airtight container and keep them on dry place. That's it for today's video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos more and more. Thank you so much. Bye.